Hey guys, Mr. Mac here. I'm going to do a video here for you all if you need some help on 3.4 Up. So in this video we have this house, and when we add balloons using the test cases here, they will show on our canvas, and then once we get to 5 or more, the house is then lifted up off the ground. So let's take a look at the functions that are already created for us. We have this draw balloon function that draws a line in a circle, and it's got 4 parameters here: center X, center Y, radius, and color. So these are going to be the different balloons that we are going to input into this function. We have different center X's, center Y's, different radii, and these colors. The draw house takes 1 parameter, and that's just the location of the bottom. So right here, it's off the ground. This bottom is 350 on the Y, and then if I put it on the ground, it's at 400. So I think that's what we're going to put in there. And then we have the draw house and balloon function here that all goes depending on the number of balloons it will draw, and then if it's over 4, so 5 or more, then the house comes off the ground. Okay. So we're going to input into this function the number of balloons. So we need to test if balloons is greater than 0, or we could say is greater than or equal to 1. I'm going to say greater than 0, and then we're going to draw. How about I'll just copy this. So we're going to draw a balloon, and you know what? I'm going to copy this whole thing and just put a couple of these in here. Okay, so if it's greater than 0, I want to show this first balloon here. So we are at 160, 50. We have a radius of 50 and a color of indigo. Okay. I had 2 balloons. All right, so if it's greater than 1, that means I need 2, these 2. So I need this at 200, 110. It's got a radius of 65 and a color of medium purple. Okay. And then now 3 balloons, so greater than 2. We've got 240, 50. A radius of 35 and a color of dark violet. All right. 4 balloons. We got 120, 120. So I'm going to say it's greater than 3. 120, 120. A radius of 40. A color of medium violet red. Okay. If balloons is greater than 4, okay, so that means we're going to be off the ground. Here we are right here, 281.20. Radius of 35. And this is purple. Okay. So I'm going to run this. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it looks like I got all my balloon positions, colors, or the radius, everything all set. Now I just need to draw the house. So if balloons, there's a lot of ways we could do this. I could say if balloons is less than 5, I can draw it on the ground, or so let's do that. Okay, so if balloons is less than 5, let's spell it right. Balloons is less than 5. Then we're going to draw the house here. Okay, we're going to draw, we'll just copy this. We're going to draw a house. And where do we, remember the bottom here, this parameter that we input goes for all the Y positions and all the shapes here. Bottom, right here. And so it looks like we're just subtracting a little bit off of this bottom, builds this shape. So let's put this bottom here, 400, all the way at the bottom of the canvas. Okay, so, and then we could say if balloons is greater than 4, then we can draw the house with a different position. But I'm just going to say else here, because if it's not less than 5, then it's got to be more than 5, right? Or 5 or more. So let's draw the house here. But now it's going to be off the ground now. So 350. Let's see if that logic works. I can take this pass out. And it worked. I'm off the ground. Okay, so I go through the different test cases here. Switch back and forth. That looks good. Let's check it. Yay, I got it. Okay, so hope that makes sense for you guys. Just needed to do a little bit of work with these conditionals to test the number of balloons, and we're putting these fixed positions in here, and then we got to test to see if the house is, check how many balloons so we can set the position at the bottom of the house. All right, check you later.